My name is Brian Bucenell. Everybody calls me Napster. Started my own company about 7 years ago, BCB Trucking. Leased on with Drake Hauling.
What kind of freight do you guys haul?
Anything we can put in the hopper bottom, really. Company's out of Greenup, Illinois. We mainly run a lot of 65, just up and down, trying to do what we can do. But yeah, right there in Lowell, Indiana, right there next to the scales. 02 379. When I bought it, it was bone stock, burgundy red with black fenders. Stretched it 30 inches, refiberglass roof of the hood, the sleeper. Took the N14 out, put a 12.7 Detroit in it. Then we put a 14-liter Detroit in it. Put a airliner suspension, House of Air front air ride, repainted it. Just anything and everything it could be replaced, we replaced it. So,
how many miles did it have on it when you bought it?
A lot, over 1 million. And the motor had been rebuilt at that time, and then I turned it up too much, so then we had to replace that motor. So I think the chassis has over 3 on it now. Okay. The motor has maybe 100,000 on it, so this motor does. Yeah. So,
what was the thought process behind the paint scheme?
I wanted something kind of aggressive, but like not like in your face aggressive, and I always like red and black. I wanted something that kind of looked fast and looked, mean, and it's put the red lights in the windshield, so it kind of looks like a beast coming at you at nighttime. And it's got, like I said, it's got that rake design, so the front end's kind of lower, and it looks cool riding down the road, like an old school race car. That's kind of what we envisioned for it.